One of the most common things you all seem interested in is supplements. I get questions from Healthcare Triage viewers all the time. You're obsessed. We've covered them before here on news episodes as well, but there's more news, so we're gonna make more episodes. Updates on supplements today on Healthcare Triage News. Back in February, the New York State Attorney General's office issued a report that accused a number of big supplement producers and sellers of selling fraudulent and potentially dangerous supplements. They also told them to take their products off the shelves, stop selling them. For those of you who want specifics, they'd run tests on herbal supplements at GNC, Target, Walgreens, and Walmart, and found that, and I'm not making this up, 4 of the 5 products they tested contained none of the herbs on the label. None. They're often full of cheap stuff like powdered rice, houseplants, and asparagus. The Walgreens ginseng pills contained only powdered garlic and rice. The Walmart ginkgo biloba contained powdered radish, houseplants, and wheat. And it even claimed it was gluten-free. I swear you can't make this stuff up. Now let's face it, Walgreens, Walmart, and Target have a business model that's not entirely dependent on selling supplements. It's not so hard for them to comply. Walgreens moved to remove the products from their stores across the country, even though only New York had asked. GNC, on the other hand, what else are they going to sell? The problem with all of this is that the FDA doesn't really check on supplements. The more stringent rules about drug approval with checks on safety and effectiveness don't apply. It's more of a trust thing, an honor code, if you will. It doesn't seem to work that well, though, as the FDA thinks something like 70% of supplement makers don't listen. But this week, GNC has agreed to change some things. It announced that it would start a much more rigorous testing process on its supplements that would exceed what the government demands. Of course, going further than the government demands in this case ain't saying that much. But let's give credit where it's due. They're saying they will now use advanced DNA testing to make sure that the plants in their supplements match what's on the label. They'll also make sure some allergens aren't sneaking in unannounced. But the GNC announcement only applies to actual GNC products. Anything else you buy in the store? Well, you're rolling the dice. Supplements are a $33 billion a year industry. Massive. Lots of you seem to like them. Full disclosure, I take none. I don't get it. I have seen no good studies saying these products work, even if you're actually getting what you think. And according to these reports, odds are many of you aren't.